briefly tell the Commission about yourself, why you think you are suitable for this position of Judge of Appeal. We really want to know who are you, what you have done, your skills, your knowledge, the value that you're going to bring to the Court of Appeal. If you can take some 5 minutes to do that.
Thank you.
Oh, yes, sorry.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm from Tharaka-Nithi County, and my ethnicity is Meru.
Your ethnicity?
Yeah, it's Meru. Although we are no longer called Merus, but we are still Merus.
Very well.
Yes.
Thank you. Yes.
Can I go on?
Yes, you can.
Yeah, thank you, Madam Chair, and thank you, Commissioners, for inviting me to come for this conversation. I am very grateful. My name is LucyWanja, and I am an advocate from 17th of December 1992. That's when I was admitted to the role of advocates. I have worked in various places, but allow me to just highlight some key things that I have done. I started with the Attorney General's office as the first state counsel at the Advocates Complaints Commission, which was under the Attorney General that time. I think it still is. And I have worked in the corporate sector after that. I have worked in government agencies like the Ministry of Lands and Physical Planning as a legal advisor. I've also worked with the Commission for University Education as a commissioner. Actually, I was one of the first commissioners to be recruited to the Commission for University Education. And I have also worked as a teacher, a lecturer. In fact, I am the one who started the Faculty of Law in ChukaUniversity. So I am very proud. I have already had graduation of my first students, which makes me a very happy teacher. I'm currently also teaching Mount Kenya University. I am a mediator, and I do real serious mediation, and that's the area that I'm actually very active in right now. And also, I am a marker with the Council of Legal Education Exams. And beyond that, I also do some pro bono services with Australian Dispute Center, where I am a judge for the Asia Pacific mediation competitions, which happen every year. So that's what I do. I'm a judge. There are some work as mediators and other roles are there. Now, some things I can highlight from my long period of working everywhere. When I worked with the Lab Trust, which was a government agency, I found an organization that was not incorporated. They were operating under an order in the council of 1958 without any incorporation in Kenya, and they had a lot of properties. I think you've seen some properties owned by Lab Trust. They were actually registered in names of individual people. I advised, and they agreed, and I was able to get the organization incorporated. So what you see now, I am the mother of what they have now, and I got their properties and transferred from the individual trustees to the corporate name. Since I left, they changed the name. Before it was known as Kenya Local Government Officers Superannuation Fund, and that is what I had incorporated, but they changed the name later on. I also had prepared a bill for incorporation under an act of parliament, but I didn't see it to fruition, but actually my successors did. Now, that is one of the highlights that I would want to the commissioners to note. And then with the Commission for University Education, when I joined, among about 5 other we were 5 commissioners. There were no regulations which would be able to help because the 2012 Universities Act had just been enacted. So I actually took over that mantle and chaired the committee, and we were able to birth the 2014 Universities Regulations and Guidelines. And they were just amended, I think, last year, 2025. So they have been guiding the universities for that length of time. At the same time, when I also joined the Ministry of Lands as a legal advisor, and that particular time there was also a problem. In fact, the Law Society of Kenya was always protesting because nothing was going on. After the 2012 Land Act, the Land Act was 2014, 2012 RLA, and later on the Communities Land Act, which was actually there was a bill before, but it was enacted in 2016. So what was happening is that there were no regulations, and I advised the ministry that for us to be able to function properly, we needed to have regulations. And we did that. There was a task force that was appointed pursuant to my advice. And we did public participation and came up with the rules and the rules, the land rules, and the forms that currently are being used. We made, for example, transfers of land easier than it was before. I think we'll
stop there at Lance.
Yes, thank you.
But if you could briefly tell us your vision. What is your vision for the Court of Appeal when you come to the Court of Appeal?
No, Madam Chair, my vision, first and foremost, is to bring what I have to the Court of Appeal. One of the things that
how will it bear with the Court of Appeal work? You know what is the Court of Appeal work?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. First, there is the collegial kind of work that we do. I have worked in boards and in some teams where we have been able to come to consensuses and come up with decisions. So I believe that my capacity, my ability to work in a team is going to be very useful.
Okay. I think we are getting into the other areas of the interview.
All right.